Hiya Duck! So today we are doing Acrygel! So we have launched our Acrygel collection and I'm going to show you what it looks like. Look. So there are 6 colours. So we have clear, which is called Clear as Day. Then we have, so this is how they'll come. They'll come in this packaging, and obviously you will undo that. Now I think this is, it's not the easiest thing to undo. I'm not going to lie. That's it. Oh look, that was far easier than I did it the first time. First time was not so easy. So Au Natural is a natural colour. We have got pink marshmallow. We've got peaches and cream. And then I'm going to show you this next one, but it's in our magic device. This device is going to help you so much when you're using Acrygel.
And toothpaste, because I think I'm going to use it for toothpaste.
I think you are. So this is our squeezy. So this squeezy is going to squeeze out every drop of your Acrygel. So some of you struggle to get Acrygel out of tubes. The reason that they're in tubes, now there's a lot of people say to me, can we have it in a pot? Can we have it in a pot? No, you can't have it in a pot. Because it's so hard and rigid, if you scoop it out of a pot, you actually scoop air into it. It's very difficult to get air out of Acrygel. Now, if it's a hard gel, the viscosity is far less and it's easier out of the pot. But when it comes to Acrygel, it's much better to control and reduce bubbles and things like that in a tube. But we want to get every last bit out, so we have developed the squeezy. And this squeezy is just gorgeous, isn't it? And it sits on your desk like that and like that. And there you are. Perfect. So this colour is called Pink Glimmer. And then we've also got Marshmallow White. So that's the 6 colours. And I'm going to swatch them here just so you can see them. And then we're going to crack on and do a nail. Right, so we're going to start with Peaches and Cream. Oh, I love it. Oh my God.
Oh, it's the same colour as your glove, that.
No, it's not.
Oh, it's darker.
So, with the spatula, I'm just going to scrape off. And just squish him so you can see exactly what it's like. I'm not going to move it, not going to cure it yet or anything like that. And we're going to go with Pink Marshmallow.
Oh, that's more glove colour.
That is more glove colour. So this is lighter. So this one, Peaches and Cream, is a bit more peachy, slightly darker. This is more lighter. And then I'm going to show you Pink Glimmer. Okay, it's what I've got on my nails. I love it. It's my favourite. Look, and I've just twisted that a little bit.
Well, yeah. You didn't have to move that much at all, did you?
And it'll just squeeze it out. Au Natural. Fresh. So this is more natural because it's a lot paler. Gorgeous colour. Absolutely stunning. Stunning. And then, so we've got Marshmallow White, a little twist. We'll push it up.
I watched a brilliant video about marshmallows the other day where somebody put one in a microwave.
What? How does it melt?
Then it expanded.
Oh.
Like it was like this.
Get lost.
I'm serious.
What, you just put it in the microwave?
Yeah.
And it goes.
Yeah. I don't know if it was a special kind of marshmallow.
Yeah, special kind of marshmallow.
Yeah, I don't know, but it was quite funny.
So that's the white. It's white, but it's not like the whitest white. It's still very white, so it's great for Frenchies. It's a little bit soft. If you go on my Instagram, you'll see some crazy nails that I did. They're actually done an Acrygel. That is the white. Maybe we'll insert a photo somewhere here. Clear as day is your clear.
And then what size tubes are there?
These are a 30-gram tube. So not too big, not too small, affordable. And especially if you don't use Acrygel all the time, there'll be certain clients that you want to use Acrygel on. So I do all my short nails with Acrygel. I wear Acrygel all the time. And if you're doing like a European style nail, like the one I was talking about earlier, look, this one here, that you will definitely need Acrygel to create that effect. So if you're doing like any kind of designs that are 3D French or like the 3D gel roses, you're going to need Acrygel. So if we look at these now, can you see how clear the clear is? It's super, super clean. Clean, and the clarity is just lovely. This colour is, it's my fave. It's obviously my fave because I've got it on. I know I need an infill. Don't look at my nails. I'll just hide those under the palette and I'll pull glove on. But yeah, you've got a lovely variety of colours there to choose from. So I'll just go through them again. So you've got peaches and cream. You've got pink marshmallow. You've got pink glimmer. Au natural. Marshmallow white. And clear as day. So the bottles have got obviously all the colours on. They're easy to squeeze out of.
One thing I like about these is because it's a printed bottle, they're not gonna wrinkle, and because that's one thing when you see it looks amazing.
So because these are a printed bottle, they don't have a label. They're not just like a label that's stuck onto them. You know, they are foil printed. They are high quality. They haven't just got a sticker on that peels off, because that will happen with lots of bottles. As much as I love this cuticle oil, this is what happens, and that's a flat bottle that doesn't squeeze because it's glass. You imagine if it's a squeezable bottle and you've got a sticker on, it just peels off.
And wrinkles, and it just looks a bit naff,
it looks untidy. Obviously, when you've got a client paying for a set of nails, you want the product to look nice as well. You don't want it to look like it's all shabby. You get what I mean? What colours shall we use in this video? I think we should do an ombre from peaches and cream to pink glimmer.
Okay.
I think that'll look really nice. We're going to do that. I'm going to take that one out of there. And I'm going to pop this one in. So all you do is apply a little bit of pressure and roll like that. And it'll sit in there nicely. So we're going to use, there's two brushes I use for applying Acrygel. So I use the Brendek brush, which is our gel brush. And I also use Mr. Buttons. He is like perfect at smoothing everything out. It's a beautiful brush. So we're going to use peaches and cream at the back. So let's squeeze out. So it's about 1.5 centimeters of product. I'm going to dip my brush into clean-up solution. Tap, tap each side. Then that's going to allow the brush to glide over, and we can press and pat and pull this wherever we want it. And it's not going to move until we boss it around. If you find your brush starts to stick to the product, then go into your clean-up solution. Why? Start again. So you want your brush damp, but you don't want your brush to be absolutely drenched with clean-up solution. If you do that, you're going to mix it in to the Acrygel and it will affect it. You don't want to do that. So I'm just going to pull this down, more pressure, because I want to kind of feather that out. And tap at the back, make sure it's nice and seamless. And I'm going to go in the Mr. Buttons. Sorry, I'm going to use the Mr. Buttons brush to smooth, 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 and look how that smooths out that application.
No filing necessary.
Do you know what I mean? That is like amazing.
If you just like, we now sell this, but nobody will buy our files now.
Well, nobody likes filing, you know, Adam. It's like, it's one of the things that people just don't like. So I'm going to pop that in the lamp. One other thing I want you to know as well is, so you can use the clean-up solution as your solution to help you glide that product, but you can also use monomer. So you can use our monomer with it as well. I've put that in for 30 seconds. It is a 90-second cure to fully cure, but we only need to put that in for 30 seconds because we're going to put more product on and it's all going to still cure in the lamp. If you want to pinch the nail, just put it in for the 30 seconds and pinch. You can even go sometimes, you can go 20 seconds if it's just a thin application and you can still pinch the product. If you fully cure it and try to pinch it, you will create like little tiny, it goes like, especially in clear, it will go like frosted because you're just disturbing the whole structure. It's only at that 30 seconds, but if it's a short nail with thin application, 20 seconds you can pinch. So we're going to use pink glimmer. So we're going to turn the dial on the squeezy. Pop that on. And I'm just going to guide this where I want it for now. You can pull it back with this brush and blend, but I prefer to do this with my Mr. Buttons brush because it's just, look at that, it's easy. So using the full length of the brush, and you apply more pressure than you would do for acrylic, so you want to remember that. And make sure those side walls are nice and straight. So if you struggle with acrylic application, then Acrygel is the one for you because it's a lot easier to move around because it's got no setting time. It goes into the lamp. It will not set until you pop that into the lamp. I'm going to pop that into the lamp and I'm going to fully cure that. That is rock solid, okay? So we're going to put clear as day. So it's like a pea size.
Oh, you put clear over it?
Yes.
And that's so you can still retain the sparkle.
Well, no, it'll still sparkle.
Well, no, because normally you would put the natural one through, wouldn't you?
Yes.
But if you put the clear on, you'll still get more of the sparkle.
Yes, so we want to protect the blend, add a little bit of structure as well, and we also want to make sure that we don't file away any of that glitter. The glitter does run through the entire product, but if you file it, you're going to disturb the blend. And it's the blend that we want, so I'm just using my Mr. Buttons brush to smooth, smooth, smooth. So whether you're doing a full set, I tend to do, I sculpt them all out, but it doesn't really move. Especially if they're short, if they like salon style, I sculpt them all out, those 4 anyway, bang them in. If you're not that confident, do the 2, put them in for 30 seconds. Bring them out, move to your next 2. Obviously, you'll be doing the other hand, so you can do those 2, then you can do those 2 while that's in the lamp. You can swap and then do them two. Oh, my fingers. them two. And then bring them out and do them two. Yeah, you get what I mean. And then do the thumb and the thumb. So you only need curing for 30 seconds to get it to stay completely still. You can do pinching and things like that, but then put them in for a full cure. So if they've already done 30 seconds, just put them in for the 60 seconds and they will be hard as a rock. Right, so it will have a sticky layer. It's not a heavy sticky layer, but there is a sticky layer, so we're going to wipe over. We're going to remove that sticky layer. I'm wiping over with cleanup solution. There'll be no sticky layer underneath because it's made no contact with air. So if it makes no contact with air, there'll be no sticky layer underneath.
Really?
So you can see how shiny it is.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
That's interesting.
Yeah, and look at the C-curve. Lovely. So people think, you know, oh, can I still do well-structured nails? Yeah, it's still rock hard as well. So we're going to file this now. Normal filing routine. So I'm going to go straight up the side walls. And you will find that Acrygel is far easier to file. So I love acrylic, you know I'm an acrylic girl. It's harder to file than Acrygel though. As in harder, like, I don't mean more difficult. I mean, it's a harder surface to file. Acrygel is a softer surface to file. Right, so we're going to top coat now with the glossy top coat. This is a no wipe top coat. So it has no sticky layer. You can see the sparkle. Yeah, I've not combined these colours together before. This is a win-win. Oh, I like it. Right, let me pop that in the lamp.
Cuticle oil for the thick finger.
For the fake finger.
Honestly.
How lovely is that though?
It looks like you got a real.
How lovely is that? Nice C-curve, nice structure. It's so easy to work with. You know, the clear is super clear because look, we can still see all the glitter. I love that. I need that on my nails. I need to fill them, but I'm going to fill them and I'm going to file some of this down and I'm going to fill it with that colour so I get that ombre.
Clever.
Oh, excited. That's me at the weekend. That's what I'll be doing. Because don't go anywhere and don't do nothing apart from work. So I'm going to give you a last shot of these colours as well. So I'm just going to go over them again. So you've got peaches and cream, you've got pink marshmallow, you've got pink glimmer, au natural, you've got marshmallow white and clear as day. And on this nail, we've got pink glimmer, we've got peaches and cream, and then a little bit of clear as day. And it is rock solid. So it's super strong, super beautiful, easy to use, so easy. You know, those two brushes, game changer. I mean, the Mr. Buttons one, game changer. And I just give that a go. I was like, I'm just going to give it a go with this. And I was like, oh my God, this is so easy. We want to make life easy for you. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and you like all the colours. Everything that we've talked about today will be listed below. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Ta-ra!